air look wobbly.
Oh no! The desert winds are waking up!
The wind sage lives in the center of that maze. And she has the map we need. We can do this. We stick together.
This place is cheating! The walls move every time I blink!
Then, don't blink too much.
It blocked the way!
By the stars, it completely cut us off!
Only those who trust their inner voice may cross the maze of winds.
We're gonna get trapped forever!
I can hear it. Follow me.
Don't look at the maze, Ab. Listen to the wind.
Few creatures reach my sanctuary. Even fewer do so with harmony.
We followed, well, you. Your wind.
This map will guide you to the next secret of the living world. The Crystal Caverns.
Remember, in chaos, trust the wind inside your heart.
CHO1, you're kind of amazing.
It wasn't me. It was the wind.